Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a Honda Rune that I want to show you. It's a 2004 Honda Valkyrie Rune. Not a lot of these bikes made, don't see many of them on the road. This is an 04 model with less than 2,500 miles on it. I think it's about 2,500 miles. Got this front end on it. It's kind of a little bit of a different front end. It's a Valkyrie Rune, so it's got the opposing 6-cylinder liquid-cooled motor with that low street sweeper style rear fender with the Frenched-in tail lights. That looks pretty sharp. Turn signals built into the fender. Lots of chrome. All the chrome and paint on this bike looks great. A lot of chrome up here around the levers and switch housings. Really nice looking front end there and dash. Let me turn the key on. You can see that dash there. And then it's got the lights up in there as well. It's a 1800cc liquid cooled engine with a 5-speed. Rune looks like something Arnold Schwarzenegger would ride in Terminator or something. Just a real space-age concept looking bike from Honda. Huge radiator up front. Some real good liquid cooling. Dual front disc brakes. It's got good tires on it. Paint looks good. It does have a few little places on it that I'll try to point out to you. Really slick. Develops about 105 horsepower. Shaft drive. It's got 2,138 miles on it. Mid-mount foot pegs there. Pro-link suspension in the rear. Nice platinum colored powder coated engine on this bike. Up here on the front, looks like there's a few little rock pecks around, a little scuff there. Don't really see, it might be a little rock. No, that just came right off. It may have been a bug. Looks like maybe a little rub right here. Nope, that came off too. Sorry about that. You can barely see the Rune painted on the graphic right there. Looks like maybe a little chip, a little rock chip right down here. Bike looks really good, runs real good. What size the tank is. It looks huge. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. It's been through our shop, serviced, inspected, and safety checked, and it's ready to ride. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it'll be easy to get this 2004 Honda Rune delivered right into your driveway. Go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.